Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Deck the Year. This is an open collaboration hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations. I will link both the collab, the hashtag, and her channel in the title below. And I am playing along. I've done 9, I caught up. I've done 9 and we're on week 10 now. And I have daylight savings time, which happens Saturday for us, and spring and Easter and St. Patrick's Day, all that good stuff on my mind. But I have a bunch of paper down on my floor next to me, several paper pads I'm trying to use up. And then also I had this collection in one of these are called job ticket holders. And when I get collections with smaller paper, 6 by 8, I keep them in this because it has washi. 200 pieces of paper ephemera. Now these are thin paper, the washi, and then 36 sheets. It's 2 each of 18 single-sided patterns, which is okay. So I used that, the sheet of paper that I used this time is this, although I don't know if you can see much of it anymore. I have stuff in my other hand, so forgive me. So let me move these over. And then the other things I used were a couple Altenew enamel dots in cherry blossom. I might have gotten them free. I can't remember. And oops. And these my favorite things, they're bottle cap numbers and the bottle cap looks. Yeah, bottle caps. And these are called bottle cap numbers. I got them not too long ago, but I'm going to be using them. I have them and my close to my heart stamp I was using. It's sad about them, right? I had gotten one Spellbinders card kit or card club kit, but I got it on sale, like 50% off, and they don't do them anymore. They had stopped doing them the way they were doing them, and now I think they stopped altogether. But I had 2 packs of these layered butterfly stickers, which had pink in it. And so here's what I made. um, let's see if I can explain. So I used a lot of paper. So the background paper is the one I showed you back here. This was a strip of ephemera, but I cut it down. There is another strip in there and some orange washi. It's sort of ginghamy looking washi, but it's scalloped and you really can't see it on there. This butterfly thing is washi. This was out of the ephemera. This is washi. There's a ticket under up here and also down here, which I buried with the number now. And there's another piece under here, which you can't see, that it has butterflies on. I actually buried it. And then I had this decorative scarfing I got at Christmas tree shops years ago. I'm so sad that they're gone, but it was $1 at the time. This was probably 2018 or 19. And then to do these, I use scraps out of a paper pad that I'm trying to use up from Craftsmith or Recollections, one of those two. I've shown it so many times. Anyway, and then this is just black, scraps of black that I use for the numbers, and I kept the remaining ones. I just left it all hooked together and die cut all the numbers, and then I'll die cut it a few more times if I want to use black. On the back, I had a scrap. I had some cardstock here in crumb cake, and I put that on. Lesson learned: none of my hole punch or hole edgers, including my big chomper, worked really good with something this thick. So lesson learned there. And then I went around the edges of the front anyway. I don't think I did. I did the back too, but not. This was a piece of the ephemera that I laid on top this color. And it had lines on it, so I can't write straight. This is my stamp, made with love, by Deb House Crafty Cottage. And I just wrote the other information on. So yeah, that's my project for week 10. Sorry it's not a process video, but I basically just did collage with paper strips, paper images from the ephemera pack, and a bunch of different washies. One, two, three, I think at least four washies, and several different ephemera strips. And then I thought this pink went with the butterfly, and there's a butterfly on the washi. So yeah, it's all about spring and pink and stuff. So let's put this in my book. Let me get these things out of the way. I don't have anywhere to put them, but okay. So, oops, sorry. Okay, had to raise you up. There's my weeks 1 through 9. And I could put it in the back, but I put enough pockets in here that I'm not going to. And this butterfly is sticking off the edge, so chances are it's going to get kind of messed up. Hopefully not too badly. I'll just bend it around. How's that? There we go. He has a bent wing. He's a little crippled butterfly. So there's my week 10 in my thing. Sorry for the glare. And let me put my numbers. I'm keeping my bottle cap numbers and my close to my heart one that I got used, but these I bought new not long ago. Actually, what happened was I think I got these free, and they were called bottle cap numbers, but I didn't get these, and so I went and bought those soon after. Yeah, so that's it. That's my make for this week. So yeah, this one here. Sweetest, magic forever, lovely. Not really a, like a saying or anything. I think for next week, I have to see what I'm going to do. What holiday comes first? St. Patrick's Day, isn't it? Yeah, St. Patrick's Day, and then spring, and then Easter. So the next 3 weeks will probably be focused on those. All right, guys, take care. Have a great weekend ahead, and I'll talk to you next time. Hugs, love, and peace.